What's up, traders? My name is Robert Falco with Real Life Trading, here with Jeremy Alexander Newsom. We're here to bring you your Monday Real Life Stock Review.
Hey traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with Real Life Trading. The call to action for this video, smash that subscribe button if you can. I would appreciate it. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers for YouTube. So even if you just get some friends to subscribe, that would be awesome, guys. We're so close, the big 40,000. So thank you so much for being a supporter of our channel. SPY all-time highs today, slowly grinding. Weekly looks good. Daily looks good. You got a few white candles in a row. I mean, I'm a fan, guys. From here, I'm just assuming that we're going to slowly grind higher. I am in net long bullish on the markets. The Qs, I think we can take this line up and kind of put it here at this point. If we close below Friday's candle, will be a little bit more bearish, I think. But at this point, I really like this Morningstar reversal. My assumption is we're probably just going to keep slowly creeping up. So for all those who bought dip on tech, I think it's going to play out okay. We easily could pull back a little bit. Obviously tomorrow, next 2-3 days, pull back some, but again, I'm more bullish than bearish. All right, let's go look at 2 or 3 stocks. GoDaddy.com incorporated weekly chart on the 100 simple moving average. Again, some of you probably have a GoDaddy domain, and if you do, it's my opinion that GoDaddy will eventually break out of this distribution phase and then rocket higher. Higher lows, relative highs, it's going to chop around, but eventually GoDaddy going to break out that good reoccurring revenue. Palantir, PLTR, this one is building some pressure. The weekly chart looks pretty cute. I think everyone in the world's kind of seeing the same thing on Palantir, though. I am in it, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Perfect candle, good breakout, wicked pair candle pattern, higher high and higher low here. Moving averages are slowly starting to creep up, so watch it very closely tomorrow for some strength. Obviously, if we start breaking down, it'll take longer to go higher. But if there's any, and I do mean any strength over the next 2 or 3 days, it'll hit 32 by the end of the month. So we'll see what it does. Right now, I am in it. I'm going to wait on it and find out what happens. We had a swing trade, options trade on Nautilus, ticker symbol NLS, that's slowly working out for us in our favor. So this is good. Those options are up a smidge on NLS. Hopefully that'll hit our target in the not too distant future, but we're up on that one presently, so that's nice. Tesla, obviously everyone wants to talk about Tesla. Tesla, I am in net long on this one, and I did buy back my put sales for March. I had the $400 put sale for March, bought that one back. I am in a $800 call for January 2022. Bought that on the dip, obviously. And check this out, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. So I think we're going to slowly grind higher on Tesla. I am in, my dear friends. I'm in Tesla bullish. Buy dips, own shares, own longer term calls down here. Be patient. I don't think it's just going to hit 1,000 by next Tuesday. It's going to consolidate a little bit, but yeah, be in. It makes a lot of sense. Teladoc, ticker symbol TDOC. I do like today's candle. A little bit of a high wave doji, but we're bouncing off of the similar areas that we bounced off of before back in here. And I think we're going to consolidate similar to how we did back in November. Some news came out on Teladoc that they're now able to refer people to a primary care doctor. They can refer people to a specialist without a primary care physician. You can tell I don't go to the doctor that much over the phone now, which is a huge deal. It's a massive, massive thing. So I think over the next 3 or 4 months, this thing does slowly grind higher. I'm in it, shares, calls, and long-term, buy low, sell high. And this was some of the biggest selling, literally, in Teladoc's entire history the last 3 weeks. And that was, after COVID. So, yeah, I'm in that long, and I'm going to give it some time. I'm not going to force it to go higher, but overall, I think it's going to go up a little bit. So that's Teladoc, and that one is one that a lot of people are in. Last but not least, here is FSLY, FSLY, and FSLY is at the support of 62.74. There are a lot of people in FSLY, mostly because this is the exact price that it bounced off of before in October, when it got down to 62, and since then it's already up $14 a share. So I'm not sure if you guys are good at math, but that's a lot. Good support. It's bounced down here before. We're bouncing again. It looks really, really clean to me. And ironically enough, I think that it's just going to kind of repeat what it did over here, right? Buy low, sell high. I'm in this one with call options. Target probably about 85 and some change. If we get up to there, I'll be pretty profitable. And yeah, we'll kind of see what I do on that one. But if we get up to there, I might sell some calls or buy some puts as a protection, or just sell my calls for a profit. But going to wait and see what we do on FSLY. I mean, I have until January, right? So we got plenty of time to do something like that maybe. I don't know. But we're in FSLY, and whatever dip I think we might get is likely going to be viable. The market just looks slow and methodical and bullish right now. So if you're in some positions, don't do anything too crazy. Just stay in and be in and wait it out from here. If you bought dips, congratulations. Last but not least is Apple. Apple looks beautiful. Very, very nice candle. I did buy puts on Apple on this day right here. And as you can tell, that didn't work. So on this day right here, I got out of those puts for a 1 hour loss, and I bought calls. The calls that I own right now are 1/30 June call options. So I bought some of those. And if I can make back the loss that I lost on the puts, then I'll be happy. And it looks like I might be able to do that. We will see. I like the candle. I really like the weekly chart. It's Apple, right? So everyone knows that. And the monthly chart also looks good. So other than that, my dear friends, that's pretty much it. We have so much coming down the pike for real life trading. Tons and tons of free content this week. Make sure you visit the website. The Celebration of Women in Finance videos are out. They're on our YouTube channel and everywhere else you want. We have a West LA meetup online that Spencer is hosting tomorrow. Make sure to be there. We got the RLT Real Life Foundation. What? We have a nonprofit? Yes, we do. That's going to be talking. We're going to come out on that on March 17th, which is Wednesday. What entrepreneurs teach their kids, March 18th, which is Thursday. A Kids Ask Me Anything on Friday. Miami retreat next week. Folks, we're doing all of it. This is all of this is free. All of this. What is going on? Yeah, we're enriching lives. That's what's going on. That's our mission. Thanks so much for tuning in to your Monday Real Life Stock Review, and I'll see you later. All right, bye.